was a crow who was very thirsty. He flew away in search of water, but he cannot find the water. At last, he can find the water. But the water was very little. And he got an idea. He picked some pebbles and put it in the pot. The water came up and the crow drank and flew away happily.